Assalamualaikum students, we are going to solve exercise 6b question 1d part. This question is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, find the values of the unknowns. As we know, in similarity corresponding angles are equal, so it means angle A is corresponding to angle B. So angle A is equal to angle P. Angle B is corresponding to angle Q, so angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is corresponding to angle R, so angle C is equal to angle R. These are similar. This is the symbol of similarity. Corresponding angles are equal but corresponding sides are proportional. In similarity, corresponding sides are proportional. So first we have to see which side is proportional to which side. As you can see, it is given in the question that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So side AB is proportional to side PQ. And all sides are equally proportional, right? So AB is equal to BC over QR, as BC and Q are proportional to each other, and that these two sides are proportional to, it means they are proportionally equal to AC and PR. So first we have to find out which two values are given in the question. As you can see, A, B and PQ are given in the question. So first we have to find out the values of these AB over PQ, and then we can put these values equal to any one of this to find out the unknown values. As we have to find out the Y, that is QR, it means we have to find out this one. So we can put AB over PQ is equal to BC over QR. And here you can see AB is equal to 12. When we will put the values, 12 over QP or PQ is equal to 10 is equal to BC. BC is 7 and QR, BC over QR, 7 over QR we have to find out, that is Y. Now we have single fraction on both sides, and here you can see we have an unknown value Y, so we can do cross multiplication. When we will cross multiply it, we will get 12Y. When we will cross multiply, we will get 12Y is equal to 70. Means 12 multiplied by Y and 10 multiplied by 7. And we have to find out the value of Y. So we will do Y is equal to 70. 12 which is multiplied here on the other hand side, it will be divided. 70 over 12. And now when we will solve it, you can find out the answer by using your calculator. You can divide 70 by 12 and you will get the answer as decimal value, or you can find out the answer in a fraction form. That will be 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10. 35 over 6, and when we will solve it, we will find out 35 over 6 will be 6 5s are 30 and 5 will be over remainder 5 whole. So Y is equal to 5 whole 5 over 6. On the same pattern, we can find out the value of x. To find out the value of x, it means we have to find out AC. So we can put this equal to this, or even you can put, as we have find out the value of this one, so we can put this equal to this, or AB over PQ is equal to AC over P. AB over PQ is equal to 12 over 10 is equal to AC. What is the AC? That is X, which we are going to find out, over PR. What is PR? PR is equal to 8. So we can write 8. And on the same pattern, we will do cross multiplication, as we have single fraction on both sides. So 10x is equal to 12 multiplied by 8, that will be 96, and x is equal to 96 over 10, and when we will solve, we will find out 9.6, or 9 whole 6 over 10, that means 9 whole 3 over 5. You can find out in decimal or in fraction or mixed number, both are correct. So we have find out the value of x, and we find the value of y. Thank you. Hope you will understand all the procedure.